Hey everyone, in this short video I'll break down why I'm bullish on Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA, by analyzing both the technicals and the fundamentals of this stock. Plus I'll share a potential options trade to capitalize on this opportunity and really supercharge your account. Hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. The Stock Planner channel is an education channel. We share our ideas, we learn from each other, and we win. It's not a good idea to copy any kind of trade, especially from somebody on the internet. Everyone wants to get rich quick, but there is no easy way. You have to learn it and practice it and come up with a winning strategy. As a swing trader, I look for the tops and the bottoms and that trend in between. Tops and bottoms and the trend in between. I'll show you in just a minute what I mean. My background is in computer science, and I'm not a financial advisor. I produce these videos to slow me down, think about my trade before I execute. It prevents me from treating the stock market like a video game. Let's get started with this trade on Baba. Now, I'm a swing trader, and I'm looking for the swings of the market, and I'm going to try to capture that trend on the up and then that reversal on the way down. I use indicators to do that, and this is the RSI indicator. When it's above the 70 and come back around, that is a sign that it would go down. If it's below the 30 and going back around, that's a sign it's going to go up. You can see here, RSI was below the 30, and there was a crossover on our MACD, which is the other indicator that I use. I look for those crossovers, and that's an indication of a bullish trend, and that's what happened. It took a while, and we had a crossover here again of the MACD, and that's a bearish trend. The zigzag here indicator helps me visualize. It's a perfect indicator. It uses future data to make these things perfect. Wish I had an indicator like that to tell me the tops and bottoms. I'd be a rich man, but I don't have the advantage of using future data. BABA have an analyst rating of strong buy. They think it's going to go up 41% over the next year. I drew some resistance and support lines. Here's a support line, and you see there was some support there and a resistance. Smart money says it'll bounce off. Currently, the MACD is trending down. It's not looking like it's coming around. This is definitely a downtrend. But the RSI is kicking in and has went below the 30 and came back around, and that's a bullish trend. So I'm hoping, praying, wishing, guessing that Baba is going to turn around soon. And I'm getting a little more optimistic on China stocks anyway. I had some good luck with JD.com. The premise is, I think this stock's going to go up. I think this stock's going to go up to about 100. Let's find out more about Baba. And before we go, a swing trader is a technical trader mostly. It relies on indicators, signals, alerts. But you need to look at the fundamentals as well to know a little bit about the stock you're trading. Else you're trading in a blind.
Welcome to our YouTube video on stock Baba. Baba provides technology infrastructure to businesses. The Amazon of China. It helps engage users in China and worldwide. The stock is very undervalued with a spotless balance sheet. It's currently trading significantly below our fair value estimate. Earnings are projected to increase by 14.94% annually. Compared to peers, Baba is a good value. Analysts predict a 44.6% rise in stock price. This makes Baba an attractive investment option. Consider adding Baba to your portfolio.
Well, I'm bullish on Baba. Currently trading at the time of this video, $83.19. I think this trade needs a little time to take effect, so I'm going out to February, kind of after the election, the inauguration. I'm using a bull put spread, which is a long strategy. It entails selling a put slightly out of the money and buying a put in the money. The credit received is a premium, the difference between these two strikes. That net credit I'll receive immediately is in, and put it in my bank, is $420. The problem is I have to reserve, not use, reserve $1,000 worth of margin. The max loss is $579. And the max profit, again, is the amount of credit I received, which is $420. Now, all this stock has to do is stay above $80.80. Remember that now, and we'll look at this in a minute. $80.80, and I'll have a winner on my hands. I said I thought it would go up to 100. If it does, anytime between now and February 21st, this is my win line. And, of course, this is my loss area here. And you can take profit anytime in between. So if we think it's going to go up 17%, this is our take profit line. And, of course, we want to have our stop loss at somewhat lower figure, let's say $74. Somewhere in between here. So we don't want to lose more than $289. Maybe $3. If we're going to go a little longer, let this thing. $380 to $400 is our max risk we want to take in this area here. And we want to make at least $354. Again, this is a long play. Break even is $80.50. We're right there. We want to go to 100. And our stop loss is at 74. Somewhere right there. So that's the trade. And this trade extends out to February 21st. Let's summarize.
Folio. This bull put spread is moderately bullish and relies on Alibaba staying above $80.50 until expiration. While it provides a high credit relative to the margin requirement, the trade has a high potential loss, $580, compared to its maximum reward, $421. Ensure your technical analysis supports the stock's bullish trajectory and manage your stop-loss levels proactively.
Well, that's the trade. I'm long on Baba. I executed the trade this morning. I presented the technicals and the fundamentals, which Baba has good fundamentals, just the chart doesn't reflect them. And I've shared a potential option play that's easy to do. A bull put spread is the easiest spread that you can go ahead and do, a vertical spread. Plenty of videos out there on how to execute them. And it's a long-term play, especially over the holidays for me. I just don't have time to sit in front of the computer. Happy trading, and hopefully you're winning in your trading. Like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.